बरखा एंड वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में देखते हैं सो फार, हाउ टू यूज़ सो फार एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन दैट इज़ सो फार सो गुड। तो देखते हैं किस तरीके से सो फार को यूज़ करना होगा एंड व्हेन टू यूज़ दिस सो फार सो गुड। सो लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज लेसन। सो फार मीनिंग इज़ अब तक, अभी तक का, इतना ही। Till now, until now, up to the present time, up to certain point, up to certain extent, up to certain degree, up to certain place or time. Let's understand so far with example. मैं आपसे इतनी दूर से इस तरह मिलने आया हूँ. I have come so far to meet you like this. The next sentence is उसने अभी तक मुझे नहीं बुलाया है. So far he hasn't called me. ऐसे कहेंगे कि तो अभी तक हम यहाँ हैं. So that's where we are at so far. Let's understand the next sentence. सरकार ने अब तक किसी भी मुद्दों पर ठोस कदम नहीं लिया है. The government hasn't taken a concrete step on any issue so far. Here you must remember, while using so far, use present perfect tense to make sentence. Second point is, it is used either at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. I hope you must have understood how to use so far and how to make sentences using so far. Now let's understand when to use or when to say so far so good. Like when you have started some work or you are in the middle of any project, or if your friend or someone is asking how is your project going on, then you'll be saying so far so good. Same with the study, like you have started preparing for any competitive examination and someone is asking you how is your study going on, then you'll be saying so far so good. So start using these expressions from today onwards. I hope you must have liked today's video. At last, I have to share very important with you all. Like if you are new to my channel and you are watching my all the videos, so it's my request to subscribe to my channel. And yes, this is the right time to subscribe to the channel, and in future definitely you'll be getting very good content related to poetries, stories and English grammar. And I hope you will like all my videos, and most importantly you will watch my all the videos and you will enjoy. Till the time, happy learning everyone.